We're on our way to Muskoka, and on our way I see a cool train. We're entering Muskoka, and Muskoka is known for its parks and fall colors. Hi guys, hope you're doing great, and today we're at the Big Bend in Muskoka. Look at it, it's so beautiful. This glacial delta was formed by the deposition of sand and gravel flowing from the glacial lake Algonquin. Here you will be able to see exposed layers of sand and silt that are in a constant state of erosion. This is Arrowhead Lake, and it's so beautiful and so sunny. We're going on a little hike, and it shouldn't be too long, but it's going to lead to a cool waterfall named Stubbs Falls. Almost there, guys. I can hear the waterfall, and I can see the water running. It's so cool. This is a cool bridge, and there wasn't such a big crowd, so I can enjoy the waterfall and the river and everything. This is what I love about nature. It's so relaxing, so fresh, and so beautiful. What you see here is the Mayflower Lake. This is a cool pizza place, and behind it was an awesome lake named Horseshoe Lake. Right here.